Hiya, Sean.
Hi.
Ti'n barod am wers?
Ydw.
Dyma ni mynd.
Dyma ni'n mynd. Dim pressure. Gemau ail gyfle. That is, that's a playoff game, isn't it?
Yeah.
Playoff game. Get in.
Yeah!
Yes, all right, relax. And a path. Oh, what, in the path of someone? When you play a pass in the path of someone?
Dwi'm yn siŵr beth i hwn.
And a path. See, she's supposed to be teaching me.
In the zone.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is it in the zone?
Yeah.
Is it dwi'n licio Malc, as in dwi'n like?
O ti'n caru fo?
No, ddim yn caru.
Oh, just licio.
Ddim yn caru.
Okay.
Sorry, Lise. Oh, here we go. Corridor. Ansicrydd. That is... It's a corridor of uncertainty.
Yeah.
Get in! Get in! I'm buzzing with that one. Yes!
Hoelen ar ei ffen.
Hoyle, what you said.
Nailed it. Bach o cofi wan, okay?
Dipyn bach cofi.
Dipyn bach o cofi.
Dwi'n adopted cofi.
Miglioma.
Wow. Is that cofi Welsh? Is that cofi Welsh, is it?
Or I could say miglioma.
Miglioma, get out of here. Okay? Ffodan. I'm struggling here.
It can be...
Sorry, Cofis, I'm struggling.
Girlfriend. Os ti'n gweld hogan del...
Okay.
Nes ti ôl dyfodan yna?
Like it. Delebs, Ffodan.
Fod?
Good looking lad, isn't he?
Fodin.
Fodin. Tell you what, OTJ though as well.
OTJ.
OTJ.
Jaman.
Chaman, come on now. Is it what you have in your kebab?
Oh, cringe.
Cringe. Oh, so...
Oh, jaman.
Jama. Oh, jama.
Lump o jaman if it's a really big one.
Lump o jaman.
See lump o jaman.
Nah, you've lost me here. That's... You made that up. Lump o jaman. Cai di lung.
Caid y lung.
Cai di lung. That's shut something.
Yn lle caid y geg, just twist bach yn cofi arno fo, yn swnio bach fwy aggressive.
Cai di lung. So that's another way of saying like, oh, shut your mouth.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, cai di lung.
Just caid y lung.
All right. Where'd you get it from?
Rat.
In dance.
What's in?
One.
Yeah.
That is one rat bag.
Pint.
Pint.
So it's a one-toothed rat.
A one-toothed rat? Serious? Cai di lung.
Caid y lung.
I'm learning here. Learning. Every day's a school day. Dy fam ar dost. See the little roof there as well, see? Is this... your mam on toast? Tell me on here. Your mam on toast? Yeah. I presume that's like... That's offensive then, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Fedri di just adio hwn rwle ti isio, really.
Dewch i'r game ail gyfler wythnos dydd Sadwn.
Diolch.
Dim problem.
Pob lwc efo bob dim.
Diolch.
Y rat yn daint.